Welcome to App Junkie. App Junkie provides fast, easy and informative answers to your app-related questions. The subject that we'll be discussing in this video will be how to take two different photos separately on BeReal, front and back camera. Hi there! Are you looking to take two different photos using the front and back cameras on BeReal? It's actually really easy to do. In this video, we'll show you how to take two photos separately using the front and back cameras on BeReal. Let's get started. To take two different photos using the front and back cameras on BeReal, just follow these simple steps. Open the BeReal app on your phone. Check that you are logged into your account. To launch the camera, tap on the camera icon. Tap on the flip button on the top right corner to activate the front camera. Take a photo using either camera by tapping on the shutter button at the bottom. You'll now have taken two photos taken from both the front and back cameras. To move the photos around and choose your audience, use the movable feature at the top. You can also turn on your location by tapping the location icon and sending your BeReal to your friends or the discovery page. It's that simple to create and share a BeReal using the front and back cameras. That's it. Now you know how to take two different photos using the front and back cameras on BeReal. If you want to save the photos to your camera roll, just tap the Save button in the bottom right corner. We hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech and app guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.